Hey guys, Ryan TV, and today I'm going to be customizing my fidget spinner with green paint, red paint, blue paint, a paintbrush to put the paint on the fidget spinner. Here's the fidget spinner, and also a plastic bag to put all the paint on. So, let's put the paint on. So I put all the paint down. So I guess we'll start on the fidget spinner. Okay. So I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Alrighty guys, so I've just done one side. It looks pretty bad right now, but I reckon it'll be looking pretty sick when it dries. So I've just done some blue. Just wait for it to focus. Well, I got blue, red, green on all the sides, and I got red there, green there, and I'll put all the colors there. So I'll be back when I finish the second side. Okay guys, so I think this is going to be the finished project of my fidget spinner, because I actually kind of like having one black side and one the multicolored side. So always, if you've enjoyed this video, please like. If you're new, subscribe and comment if you've enjoyed this video, and maybe comment some suggestions I should do in my next video. Alright, thank you.